Welcome to the ultimate showdown. Last to leave, the Iceberg wins 10,000 and $1 lakh MrBeast's Coldest challenge. And everyone, please like this video. As you know, guys, my every videos goes to just 1k views and get just 3 to 4 likes. I want just one like, please, guys. If you're free right now, support me because I want to become like MrBeast. So, guys, please support each other. As you know, this is a free platform to grow together. As you know, guys, this is my new adventure story, just for your small learning, your enjoyment, and making fun together. And as you know, so just imagine this, okay? As you know, this is my 7th video of today on 4th December 2024. Let's start without wasting your time. But let's start. Welcome to the ultimate challenge. But this challenge is not just about the money, it's a lesson in resilience, teamwork, and mental fortitude. Okay, as the horse pass, contestants battle freezing temperatures and their own doubts. And what is called freezing temperature? What you, if you are a science student, then you can tell me in the comments. Otherwise, I tell you, okay, you can ask questions in the comments below. They learn that true strength comes from pushing through discomfort and supporting each other even in the fire scent competition. With each passing moment, they face a choice: give up, or dig deeper. Some contestants bond over shared struggles, while others strategize to outlast their rivals. It's a reminder that competition can bring out both the best and worst in us. As the sun sets and temperatures drop, participants reflect on what they are truly fighting for. Is it just the cash, or is it about proving to themselves that they can endure? This challenge teaches us that success is not just about winning; it's about growth and self-discovery. In the end, as one contestant emerges victorious, clutching that $1 lakh check, and they realize that the real prize was the journey, overcoming fears, and forging connections with others. And so next time you face a challenge, remember, it's not just about being the last one standing. It's about what you learn along the way, and embrace discomfort, okay, and support those around you. And who knows, you might just find your own iceberg moment waiting for you. Bye for now.